Hey guys, how's it going? Dan here from Hemptech, and I could not be happier. If you can't already tell from the super sexy Opal white leather seats, I am in my brand new BMW M4 Competition. I have wanted one of these cars ever since the first sneak peek photos that they released nearly 6 years ago now. I've just always wanted one of these cars. I have dreamt about this drive away from the dealership home for a long time now. It is just amazing. I can't believe how good these seats are and how good the colour is. I was a little bit worried about the colour. I've not seen it in person, but it did not disappoint. Before I get onto the main video, I'd just like to ask you guys for a bit of help. I've been having a lot of fun recently, the last few months, making car videos and stuff, and just trying some things out, and it's been really, really good. I've really enjoyed it, but I've not put them on the channel just because I wasn't sure whether or not people would actually like it. So I've been doing the usual test drives at dealerships and stuff like that. I've even done a track day as well, which made me really, really, really want one of these, because an M car puts a smile on your face like nothing I've ever driven before. That rear wheel drive, that kind of on the brink of always just trying to hold it and handle it, and always being on the brink of basically dying and crashing. It's very exciting. And I've also got an endless supply of super sweet cars to test drive because of my friends and family. They're all mad on cars, so I've got lots and lots to choose from and have a little play around with. So just leave me a comment below. Is it the kind of thing you'd be interested in? I'd love to know. Right, that's enough chatting from me. Kick back, relax, and enjoy my brand new video of the collection of this beautiful brand new BMW M4 Competition in Grigio Medio Grey. Hey guys, how's it going? Dan here from Hemptech. You joined me outside Dick Levitt BMW, where I'm collecting my brand new M4 Competition today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm actually a little bit nervous all of a sudden because I haven't actually seen the colour of the car. I've never seen it before. I've only ever seen pictures of it on Ferraris and stuff, so the video could be an absolute disaster, and it could just be a video of me crying in the corner. So fingers crossed it looks as good as I hope it does. Let's go. So this is Sam. I've been dealing with Shimon this whole time.
That's correct, yeah.
And then last minute, he's gone and left me, and
yeah,
he's left me in your capable hands.
You've got me, but yeah.
All good?
All good.
So, should we do this thing?
Let's do it. Car's
Real.
over here.
Okay, let's have a look. Okay. guys, so collection is done. I'm just going to say goodbye to Sam and then we're going to head off. We're at Dick Levitt BMW in Bath, and I'll leave some information in the description below.
That'd be great.
And if you're interested in a BMW, just give them a call and speak to my boy Sam. Sweet, right, let's get going.